Come on in. Welcome to Londolozi Tree Camp. This camp is located in the Londolozi Game Reserve, which is part of the greater Sabi Sand Game Reserve right outside of Kruger National Park. And we are staying here at Tree Camp. Londolozi has 5 different camps available on the property. So we're going to show you here our room at Tree Camp. So we're going to start here. This is the living room within your room. You can sit here, relax between game drives, check out the beautiful view. You're really out inside of the trees. Over here we have a desk in case you need to get a little bit of work done on safari or write notes to home. And then over here, we have a full bar, which is included in your stay. If there's something specific that's not available here, you can request it and they'll put it in your room. You also have an espresso machine and a kettle for tea and coffee before your morning game drive. Down here, there's a full fridge with some wine, some beer, some sodas, and drinks, whatever you want. Again, they'll add in here for you. There's some Corona. I do love a Corona. And then over here, you have your bedroom. So as you can see, nice king size bed with a mosquito net available to you. They do have the ability here to make the bed into 2 twin beds if you're traveling with somebody where you may not necessarily want to share a king bed with them. And then walking over this way, we have a little station that's available for you. There's a safe in case you want to put any of your valuables in it. Over here, they leave you some really cool stuff to use on safari, including some binoculars that you can take out on game drive with you. I think this is a really nice touch in case you didn't bring some yourself. They have the South African plugs. This one I thought was really cute. They have a pair of reading glasses in case you left yours at home. As well as just some emergency items here, slippers. You can get a massage either at the spa, which is over next door at Vardy Camp, or in room service. And then if you want to get a workout in, there's a yoga mat here. They do also have daily complimentary yoga here at Londolozi, which is really nice. Over here they have a very beautiful station for you to sit and blow dry your hair, get your makeup done, all that fun stuff. I personally just want to take a moment for this closet. I'm obsessed with this closet. I love how big and spacious it is and really has the ability to open up your safari bag and get everything out, which is really nice. And then a mirror to do a fit check. And then coming over here into the bathroom, they do have robes available for you as well as 2 sinks. They have some general kind of supplies for taking a shower. This gorgeous tub over here that overlooks your patio. And then over here, there's an indoor shower. And we're going to head out to your gorgeous patio. So we're going to start over here. In your beautiful patio, you have a outdoor shower. It's just really nice, you know, on safari during your siesta time, you can come out and take an outdoor shower. You have these chairs that you can kind of sit, relax, take a look at the wilderness. And then over here is what I call the grand finale, which is this amazing plunge pool that's available to you, along with 2 chase lounges. During the winter months, they do heat your plunge pool here, which is really nice. A lot of camps don't heat the plunge pool, so it's nice that they heat it. That way it's more usable. And then last but not least over here, you have a table to sit outside and look at this beautiful view. What you'll notice about this room is it's super private, so you don't really see neighbors, you don't see anyone out, so very private. And that is Londolozi Tree Camp.